Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, I know that you're probably like, wait, something's different. I am wearing my actual glasses that I wear on a daily basis, and that is what this video is about. I'm sure you saw by the title of this video. I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday, quick and easy makeup for glasses. So if you wear glasses, this is certainly for you. But even if you don't wear glasses, you can certainly get away with wearing this super easy, natural, glowy makeup look to work, to school, wherever you need to go. And yeah, so if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up for more simple and easy makeup tutorials. And without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look with wearing my glasses, then keep on watching. So my brows are already done. My lips are pretty chapped because yesterday I had some sunflower seeds. Let me know if you guys love sunflower seeds. Comment down below. I love sunflower seeds, the ranch and the original, and they definitely do take off the skin of your lips when you're eating a lot of them. So my lips are chapped. I put on the Too Faced lip balm, but I just had a smoothie. But anywho, we're gonna be going ahead and get into this makeup look. So it's gonna be super quick, super simple, because I actually do have to get out of here in less than 30 minutes. So this is just gonna be what I do on a daily basis. I'm gonna start off with priming my face. I already moisturized it with my Clinique Hydrating Jelly. I'm gonna be priming with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. Looks like this. And I actually like this primer. It is hydrating, so I definitely recommend. My brows are already done. If you guys want me to do an updated brow tutorial, definitely let me know down below. I hope everybody had an amazing Christmas, if you celebrate Christmas, and just enjoying the holidays so far. Definitely let me know if you guys have any New Year's resolutions or if you have any goals in mind. I set goals, not resolutions. And yeah, let me know that down below. Stop talking and show you guys what I'm going to be doing next, so keep watching. So now that I got my base basically done, what I typically do is take my, I don't know why I have a frog in my throat. What I typically do is take my bronzer or whatever it is that you use to bronze or contour. That's what you can use to put on your eyelids, and it just gives you more depth to the eyelids. As you can see, I put a little concealer on it so it looks a little weird without having nothing on. So I just put that same mineralized skin finish that I use in Darkest Deepest by MAC, swirl in a fluffy brush, and I just go ahead and put that in my crease and bring it all the way down to my lid, just to give some type of dimension to the eye and color. That's basically it for the eyes. Sometimes I take it to the bottom lash line, which I am going to do today, just to complete it. And then I go into my mascara. I'm using the Climax mascara by Nars. And being as though I'm not putting on any falsies, I typically go in with another mascara on top, or I'll just keep layering on mascara. But I do go in with my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, and I put that on top as well and on bottom, just to give a little more oomph, since we're not wearing falsies. Moving on to blush, I'm going to be using this Patrick Star I'm Not Blushing Powder Blush Duo. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that on my cheek. I'm going to take the bronzer side and put a little bit of that on my cheek. And then going into the blush side, just to add a little bit of color on the cheek, I'm going to be adding that. And this is like perfect for like every day. And for highlighter, I am going to go in with, where is it? I'm just going to use my Lancôme one. This is the dual finish highlighter in Radiant Rose Gold. Looks like this. Just going to use this one today. I'm going to spray my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. For lips, I typically go for like a bold lip if I do my simple wear like this. But I'm going to go in with a neutral lip. I'm going to use this Givenchy lip liner in the shade Moka. It's a 09 Moka. Now I'm going to go in with this lipstick set here that I received in the mail from Vicki Logan. I thank you so much. But I'm going to go ahead and use the nude one, which looks like this. So this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy and simple everyday makeup look for glasses, or just on a regular basis if you don't wear glasses. Super simple, super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.